In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit graphs in PowerPoint. Whether you're refreshing an old presentation or crafting a new one, being able to tailor your graphs to better convey your data is a crucial skill. We'll walk through each step of the process to ensure you understand how to easily and efficiently update your graphs. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If it's pinned to your taskbar or desktop, just give it a click to launch, otherwise find it in your application list. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation you'd like to edit. If it's already saved on your device, you can access it from the recent files list or browse your folders to locate it. Now direct your attention to the graph you need to edit within your presentation. Once you find it, simply right-click on the graph. Doing so will bring up a context menu with several options for modifying your graph. This menu is where the magic begins. From this menu, look for the option labeled Edit Data. Selecting Edit Data will open an Excel spreadsheet. This spreadsheet stores the data your graph uses to draw itself. If you're new to this, don't worry, the process is quite intuitive. Each cell contains specific data points reflected in your graph. Here's where you get to work your magic. To update your graph, start typing over the existing text and figures within the spreadsheet. Make sure to replace outdated numbers or labels with current or different data. Maybe you need to change years, categories, or simply update values. Go ahead and make these changes directly in the spreadsheet. Remember, as you type over and adjust these numbers, your graph on the slide will automatically update to reflect the changes. It's an instant preview of your updates, which ensures you get the desired outcome without switching back and forth. An important tip here is to double check your entries as you go along. This will help you avoid errors and make sure your presentation reflects the correct information. Also, take a moment to observe how the design of your graph may shift with the new data. You might find that certain visual adjustments are needed to maintain clarity and impact. Once you're satisfied with the new data, close the Excel window. There's no need to worry about saving separately, as PowerPoint automatically saves these changes for you. Now go back to your slide to take a final look at your freshly updated graph. Ensure everything looks as it should and fits harmoniously within your slide layout. And that's it. You've successfully edited a graph in PowerPoint. By following these straightforward steps, you now have the ability to enhance and personalize your graphs for any presentation, making your data as compelling and accurate as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!